Hello DIYers, welcome back. Today we are showing you how we put together this pea trellis, and I am not exaggerating when I say that it cost less than $10 and took less than 10 minutes to put this together. All you need for this project are two 6-foot garden stakes. We found these at our local hardware store for $2.49 each. You need 100% cotton kitchen twine. This is nice and soft. It's not going to interfere with the peas, but it is food safe and it is strong enough to hold up to the elements. And you also need thumbtacks. If you don't have thumbtacks or you don't want to use thumbtacks, you can use any type of screw or nail, but the ease of being able to just pop these thumbtacks in and just press them in with your hands makes this unbelievably fast and unbelievably easy. We started our process by using a rubber mallet to get our garden stakes knocked into the ground. The rubber mallet is important because it's not going to split the wood. And if your soil is dry, like ours was today, just go ahead and wet it with some water and the stakes will go in a lot easier. Once your stakes are in, you want to place your thumbtacks every 4 to 6 inches, but don't push them in all the way. You need to leave a little bit of room to start hooking on the twine. And then once all of your thumbtack rows are placed in, that's when you can start hooking on the kitchen twine. So what we're doing, we've already done a couple here, and I'm just gonna show you guys up close how easy this is. We're pulling the string along, and then we are just wrapping and making a little loop. And that's literally just twist it around your finger like that, and then hook that loop onto the thumbtack and pull it as tight as you need it to be, and then push the thumbtack the rest of the way in. And now this is nice and taut. Going back over this way. Again, we're just doing a quick wrap around the finger to form this loop. Hooking around the thumbtack, pulling it tight, and pushing the thumbtack the rest of the way in. It is super, super fast and super easy. And then you just repeat the process until you get to the bottom of the stakes and your trellis is done. This is not the sturdiest option in the world, so something that we did talk about and consider was grabbing 1 or 2 extra galvanized steel T-posts. You can see these guys are really, really in here, and most of them tend to have holes in them. So what you could do to shore this up and make it a little more sturdy is to just install the galvanized steel T-post and this wooden garden stake together and drill them into each other, and it won't cost you more than an additional $6 to do that. All right, you guys, that is it. It absolutely could not be simpler. It could not be cheaper. You're probably gonna be spending a lot of money and getting really overwhelmed building and putting together your first garden, but you do not have to spend a lot of money on a pea trellis. You just need something to support your peas and keep them growing upright. And definitely do it sooner rather than later, because these guys shot up on us really fast. Be sure to like this video if you do in fact like the content. Subscribe to our channel so you can see all future content, and we'll see you guys next time.